Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome back if you're an oldie but a goodie. In today's video, we're going to be prepping the home for spring, and I'm not gonna lie, I am so ready for a fresh start. So I'm gonna take you guys along as I knock out a few things on my spring prep to-do list. So we're gonna get rid of all those little winter dust bunnies and do a simple reset that makes the whole home feel clean, light, and ready for a new season. So let's go ahead and hop into it. So we're starting in the bedroom because anytime I'm doing a refresh or prepping for a new season, I always start where we rest. I just feel like if this space feels fresh, everything else is going to fall into place. So first things first, I'm taking all of this bedding off, and changing out the sheets for a new season really just does something for me. It's such a simple reset, but it instantly makes the room feel lighter. So I'm stripping everything, the sheets, the pillowcases, and giving it all a good wash and starting from scratch. I really wanted to add something fresh in here for spring and just kind of change up the vibe a little bit. And honestly, rest has been a big focus for me lately. I've realized when I'm sleeping well, I'm better in every area. I have more patience with the kids, more energy during the day, and I just feel less overwhelmed. So starting in here just kind of feels right. And I know some of you are thinking like, girl, where have you been? I really haven't been over on this channel as much lately. I've been posting more on NitraaB TV, which is my blog channel where I do more like everyday life things. It's just kind of like a little bit more laid back. But I'm really excited for this channel because I'm bringing more of these home resets, room refreshes, and just the seasonal videos back over here this year. Definitely want to get more active. So these kind of videos really just make you feel like you're getting your life together for a minute. So I definitely want to do more of them. So I'm back in the bedroom, and listen, I know everyone's schedule looks a little different. Some of y'all are working outside of the home every day. Some of y'all are home with kids all day, and either way, it is a lot. So if you're not doing a full deep clean every week, then trust me, girl, you are normal. And for me, that's why I love a good refresh. This is when you can catch up on those things that are overlooked. So I'm really using this spring prep to kind of catch up on those things that I haven't really had a chance to do here lately. And honestly, part of resetting the bedroom is also making sure that your sleep setup is feeling good too, which sometimes includes more than getting new sheets. So we recently got a new mattress. Big thank you to Birch for sponsoring this portion of today's video. So I'm not sure if you guys know, but March is Sleep Awareness Month, and it's actually the perfect time to upgrade your mattress and really start prioritizing better rest. Research shows that sleep does so much more than just help you feel rested. It actually helps repair the body, strengthen your immune system, and it even plays a big role in memory and learning. So I've been on the hunt for the right mattress for quite some time. We tried one not too long ago, and I really thought it was going to work for us, but it was honestly way too soft. So we switched to Birch, and we've had it now for about 2 months, and I've noticed a real difference in my sleep. I'm falling asleep a lot easier, and I'm not doing a lot of tossing and turning. I'm also not waking up with back pain anymore. That was what originally started this mattress hunt. I'm really excited to let you guys know about this mattress. The price point is really good, and it's that perfect balance of comfortable but still supportive. So if you've been thinking about trying out Birch, I would say it's especially worth it if you want something supportive without feeling hard. And if you're tired of a mattress that starts off feeling good but doesn't actually hold up after sleeping on it night after night, then definitely consider Birch. And I really love that this mattress feels breathable and comfortable. You can settle in it but you're not sinking. I do not like a mattress that just feels too soft. And one of the biggest reasons I personally felt good about choosing Birch is that their mattresses are fiberglass free and made with natural and organic materials, which gave me a lot of peace of mind. It also feels good knowing that we're sleeping on something that's thoughtfully made and supported without a bunch of unnecessary stuff. And I'm telling y'all, my sleep is so much better and our whole home routine just feels smoother because, like I was telling you guys, I have more energy, patience, and everything just seems more manageable when you're well rested. So if you've been thinking about upgrading your mattress, you can visit birchliving.com/NitraaB for 27% off site-wide, and be sure to mention my channel in their post-purchase survey, and I'll have everything linked in the description box below. And again, thank you to Birch Living for sponsoring today's video. So for spring, I really like to switch the bedding to something a little bit lighter. I love this waffle knit quilt. It's really great because it adds texture without feeling too heavy. I also tend to stick to a lot of cream tones in here. Since our room already has a lot of neutral colors going on, I like to just keep everything feeling soft and cohesive. One thing I really have been thinking about a lot here lately is actually changing out our bed frame. I still love the look of the one that we have, but y'all, it is so high maintenance to keep clean. So I've really just been toying with the idea of finding something a little bit easier to maintain, and if I do end up switching it out, then I'll definitely keep y'all updated on it. So next up for the spring prep, I made my way into the dining room, and this is one of those spaces that we honestly don't use all the time, so it's really easy for it to get overlooked. And whenever that happens, the dust definitely starts to build up in here. So every season, I like to come in, give everything a good wipe down, and just give it a good refresh. It's not something that I'm doing every single day, but when I do take the time to clean it up, it just makes such a difference. I also wanted to open up the curtains in here and let some light in, and just go ahead and wipe down the windows on the inside. The outside definitely needs to be done too, but we're not even going to be worrying about that today. I always feel like once I start cleaning one space, it kind of snowballs into the rest of the house, which can be good at times, especially when you want to get stuff done. But you ever start with one little task and then suddenly you're cleaning the entire room? That happens to me all the time. And then sometimes I get so far and I'm like, why did I even start on this? But today is one of those days where I'm really trying to tackle the little things that just makes our house feel better, and it'll really just prep us for the spring season. next up for the spring prep, I really wanted to take all the cushions off the sofa so I could vacuum everything out. I'm not totally sure how I want to decorate in here for spring yet, so for now I'm just focusing on getting everything cleaned off, and then that way I can worry about the styling later. So I'm taking all the cushions off, and y'all, with kids, snacks, and honestly even adults, I already knew there would be crumbs in the couch. It's pretty much inevitable. I'm definitely not one of those people that doesn't allow food in the living room, so this is just the reality of it. But our house is very much lived in. I just try to do a good job of keeping it tidy day to day, but every now and then you just have to do a little reset and clean up all the hidden messes that don't get handled in the regular everyday pickup. And honestly, doing little resets like this around the house always puts things back into perspective for me. It reminds me to thank God for what we have, even when life feels a little heavy in other areas. And I know it might sound small, but even being able to clean the home and notice the little everyday messes is such a blessing. So sometimes you really have to stop and be thankful for the small things. There's just something about getting your space back in order that helps everything feel a little lighter, and it kind of resets me mentally too. And this little reset really has me thinking about how I want to decorate for the spring season. Easter is coming so early this year, and we have a trip coming up, so I already know I'm not going to really be doing too much decorating specifically for Easter, but I do still want the house to feel fresh and ready for spring in general. So now we're moving on to the shelves, and at this point, I'm not even gonna lie, I was definitely starting to run out of gas because I had been at it pretty much all day, but I still wanted to go ahead and take care of the shelves because it's one of those spots where the dust builds up so easily. So this is pretty much where I wrapped up for the day. Nothing huge, just a few small resets around the house as a part of my spring prep. And this really helps prepare the house for spring decorating. So when I'm ready to start decorating, I won't have to worry about doing a bunch of major cleaning first. So the house feels a little lighter and a little calmer, and I'm definitely looking forward to decorating for spring. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check out Birch Living. I'll have the link in the description box below. And as always, I will talk to you all in the next one. Bye.